Hi friends, today I come with the unboxing video of HP Smart Tank 515 printer. My brother bought this from Dubai. Actually, he is living there. Let's unbox it. Power cable. Actually, he got two additional black colors. Usually in market we will get only one black, three colors, sad, magenta and yellow. These are the additional black colors he got. These are the documents attached. There are many of them. Some HP printer details or service center details, warranty details, and finally the user manual. The data cable, the printer heads. We have two printer heads, black and color. Gently pull the cardboard blocks from the device. Even though the picturization is given in the user manual, it is really confusing. Switch on the printer. Now we can fill the ink. Double check the color of the ink before filling in the corresponding ink tank. And keep in mind, don't shake the ink bottle. The filling process is pretty easy, right? Gently remove the orange coloring from the inside. We don't want it. It's just to guard the printer while transportation. We need to place the printer head. We need to pay utmost care while handling the heads. Actually, it was not that much easy to insert the head. Okay, now the installation got completed. Next, we can take the test print. Simply place the paper and wait for the printout. Here is the test result. As per the instruction, for better print quality, we have to copy the test print . And here is the copy. Next, we can install and configure HP Smart Mobile app. After registration and login to HP account, we can take printout from our mobile. Usually color prints in high resolution will take more time than usual. In this video, I am keeping the printing process at normal speed so that you will get a better understanding. If you have any more doubts, please let me know. I will definitely find time to help you. If you feel my videos are helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.